Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are finally back at Kroger. You guys have been hitting me up in my DMs and my comments like, girl, when we getting back to Kroger? These kids are out of school. It is time to get these grocery deals. And y'all know during the summer, this is where I pull up and this is where I stay because we definitely have to get stocked up. So we are back at Kroger to get into some of the best deals that you can do this week. And my favorite sale is back in action, and that is the mega event, the buy five, save a dollar each mega event. So if you are new to shopping at Kroger with the mega event and the buy five, save a dollar or more on each item, you do not have to buy five of the same item. As long as you buy at least five participating items in this sale, you can mix and match throughout the store. You will save an additional dollar on each item and get these sale prices that are in the blue. So I'm starting over here with the pasta sauce because you guys, we have an amazing deal combining two rebates on this Simply Ragu, and be on the lookout because some of these are on clearance, but we're going to go on ahead and grab the ones that are $1.49. I'm going to be picking up a total of four of them to max this deal out, but I'm going to be submitting back to two rebate apps. So on Swag Bucks, I'm going to get $2 back for every two. And then on checkout 51, they have 64 cents back. So we're going to pick up a total of four of these. That's going to total us up to $5.96. From Swag Bucks, I'm going to get $4 back. I'm going to submit back for $2 for each set of two. From checkout 51, I'm going to get back $2.56. Going to make my final price for these not only free, but a 60-cent profit. So we're going to get paid 60 cents to carry the pasta sauce out. You can grab the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce for just 96 cents each by grabbing them for $1.29 on Mega and using this dollar off of three manufacturer coupon. Or you can grab this dipping sauce instead. These are $1.49 on Mega. Grab two of these and then use the $1.25 off of two manufacturer coupon. You'll end up paying $1.73 for both of them. Next thing I'm going to be grabbing is my favorite Heat and Eat rice. We're going to grab this Mahatma cilantro rice. This is on sale for $1.49 on Mega. I'm going to be using a $1 digital coupon and I'll end up paying just 49 cents for the pack. We have a nice weekly digital deal on the Bush baked beans. These are just 99 cents with the digital coupon. The Truvia Sweet Complete bags are on sale for just $4.99. We have $2.50 back on Ibotta, which will make a bag just $2.49. The Glad Force Flex Max Strength trash bags are on sale for $8.99 on Mega. We do have $7 back on two on Swag Bucks. That'll make these just $5.49 per box after you buy two and submit back for that $7. I am really loving this sale on the Reynolds wrap this week. So you can grab the Reynolds wrap foil for just $3.49. We don't have any coupons, but that is a stock up price because the foil deals have been few, far, and in between lately. I'm also going to be grabbing some General Mills cereals. So these are $1.99 on Mega. We got $1 off of two digital coupon. And I'm going to be submitting over to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each box. Going to make my final cost just 99 cents for the box of cereal. So we have a try it free rebate on aisle for the Cretors popcorn, and it is on sale on Mega for just $3.49. Aisle will give us back the complete cost of that because the max on the rebate is $4.75. So I'm going to pick up a bag for $3.49. I'll submit back to aisle for the full cost. I'm going to make this completely free. I am already set on potato chips right now from the deal we just had at CVS. But if you need some, you can pick up 5 bags of the Lay's this week for $2.29. And when you buy 4, you're getting that $2.29 price. So we're going to pick up 5. That'll total up to $11.45. Submit back to the coupons.com app for $3. It'll make your final cost just $1.69 per bag. The Ritz crackers are on sale for just $2.99 on Mega. We do have $2 back on two on Ibotta, which will make them just $1.99 each. So the next deal I'm going to be grabbing is on the Gatorade Fast Twitch. So these are not on sale, even though my store has them marked. They're full price for $2.79. But I'm going to pick up two for $2.79, and I forgot to print my paper coupons. So I'm just going to submit back and do this deal all digital. So what I'm going to do is pay the $5.58 at the register. I'll submit back to coupons.com for one bottle. I'll submit over to ShopMeum for the other bottle for $1 back. And then I'm going to submit over to Fetch Rewards for $2.50 back. And I'm also going to submit over to Ibotta for $1 on each bottle. That's going to make my final price for two of these free plus a 92-cent moneymaker. Next deal we're going to be grabbing is an awesome deal on the eggs this week. So these are just $1.49 with the digital coupon. So we're definitely going to grab this 18-count eggs. And aren't y'all so happy to see egg prices come back down? I am so glad because it was getting real hectic out here for a second with these egg prices, but $1.49, that is my price. Next deal I'm grabbing is on the Kraft cheese. So these are on sale for $1.99 this week, and we have 50 cents back on Ibotta. I am also going to be grabbing some of the Kraft singles. These are $1.99 as well. Be on the lookout for peelies on the packages. I was able to use one of those on two. Made the singles only 99 cents. And then the next cheap item we're going to be grabbing is the Kroger brand orange juice. This is $1.49 this week with the digital coupon. The next thing we're grabbing is this finish. We're going to get two of the 22-count bags. This is a really good deal. All digital. Two of these are going to cost us $12.98 with Mega because they're $6.49 each. I'm going to be submitting back to Ibotta for $7 back on two. And then on coupons.com, I have two different rebates. I have $1 and $1.50. So I'll get back $2.50 there, making my final cost for these just $3.48 or $1.74 each. Got a pretty good deal this week on the Clorox 75-count wipes. So these are on sale for just $4.99 with Mega. And then on Swagbucks, we have $6 back on two. So you can pick up two of them for $9.98 and then submit back to Swagbucks for that $6. That'll bring you down to $3.98. And then we also have a $1 digital, make your final cost $2.98 or $1.49 each. I'm going to go ahead and grab a couple of these since these are the bigger packages. I think $1.49 is a good price. The next item I'm going to be grabbing is the Kingsford charcoal. So these are on sale for $8.99. I'm going to be getting the 8-pound bag. That 8 pounds is really important. So these are $8.99. I have a $2 digital coupon. That's going to bring me down to $6.99. I'm going to be submitting back on Ibotta for $1.50. And I'm going to be submitting over to Shopkick for $2.40. Gonna make my final price for this bag just $3.09. Guys, so now let's talk about the household deal that I did. I did this deal online as a pickup order so that I could use my 15 off of 75 coupon. I got a new one of those added to my account, and so I definitely wanted to use that. I also had a 5 off of 50 that made this deal really sweet. So this deal with the Persil, you can either do in-store or you can do it online. I went on ahead and did mine online so that I could use that 15 off of 75. Now you want to check your Shopkick account. Some accounts, not all, just a few, because I definitely didn't get it. But check your Shopkick account to see if you have any Shopkick offers there for the Persil. Because if so, you may want to do this deal in store instead of online. But for me, I started out by picking up one of the Persil 100 ounce. You have paper coupons, you can use those. You can also use your paper coupons if you do a pickup order. I did use a paper coupon in my pickup order as well. You just give them your coupon when you come to pick up your order. Probably remember that buying 4 of the Persil is the cheapest way to do this buy 2 get 10 deal if you're going to do it online for a pickup order. But I have a lot of Persil already in my stockpile, so I wanted to mix and match with some other items. So I decided to grab some Tide as well. So I grabbed one of these Tide for $19.99, and then I used the $3 manufacturer coupon from the P&G website. I will have that link to print in the description box. And then I also grabbed some paper products. The next item I grabbed in the buy 2 get 10, because I grabbed a total of 4 items to save $20 online, was the Quilted Northern. So I got this pack right here for $19.99. And with this, I used the $1 digital coupon, but there's also some blinkies inside the store in case you want to buy more than one pack. And then the final item I grabbed was the Kleenex. These packs are $10.99. With the buy 2 save 5 sale, they'll be just $5.99 each. So these are the 4 items that I decided to get. Because I have a total of 4 of these, I saved $20 instead of $10. So I saved $10 for each set of 2. I also had my 15 off of 75, which still works on this order because the amount before the sales and coupons is over $75. I had my 5 off of 50, and then I used 2 paper coupons for $3 off of each one of the Tide and the Persil when I picked up my order. So that brought me all the way down to $19.96 plus tax for these items, which made these $4.99 each, which I was a-okay with, especially to get the quilted northern and the Tide. And if you didn't have any additional Kroger exclusive coupons to add into this deal, like the $5 coupon I had, then you would pay $5 more for this deal. So your total would be $24.96 just using the 15 off of 75 pickup coupon. So I was about to head out and I passed the body wash aisle, you guys. I had to run back to my car to get my coupons out of my little coupon book because this Dove body wash is a really good deal. So these are $6.79 on Mega. We have the $2 tear pad coupons. I told you guys about these for weeks. The $2 tear pads, they were available at Kroger or CVS, or you can sign up for Dove coupons. The 150 printable will work on these too. But with the $2 coupon, I'm going to pay $4.79 and then submit over to Ibotta for $3. Gonna make these just $1.79 each. All right, you guys, so I've already checked out with all of my items. I did 2 separate transactions because I wanted to keep my swag bucks receipt and my aisle receipt that I was submitting for a rebate small. So I did that first, and I just did my swag bucks items and my popcorn. Subtotal for that came up to $18.42. I got back $10 from swag bucks, and thankfully that all worked instantly. I got back $2.56 from checkout 51, and I got back $3.49 from aisle. So I got back $16.05 for that. Final cost was $2.37. I did everything else on my second transaction. I paid out $51.44. And y'all, I forgot to add my eggs into this deal, so I gotta go back and get my eggs. But that was $51.44. I got back $25 from Ibotta. I got back $7.80 from Fetch. So something wild happened with my Fetch, and I got back $7 plus for the Gatorade, but I will take that. I got back $2.40 from Shopkick. I got back $3.50 from coupons.com, $1 from ShopMium. That made my grand total back for that transaction $39.70 with a final cost of $11.74. So when you add in the $2.37 plus the $11.74 plus the $19.96 that I spent for my online order, total spent for this all of this merchandise, so everything, the household items, the food items, everything was $34.07 for almost $200 worth of product at Kroger this week. So I think that is absolutely amazing. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.